What is up guys, I'm Francis the Instructor, this is TDS TV, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to parallel park on the right. Following on from last week's video where I taught Amma how to parallel park on the left, if you didn't see it, catch it here. I've received a few messages from people saying, yeah, but how do you park on the other side? Is it different? Is it the same? Is it easier? Is it harder? I received one message from Alicia on Instagram at AliciaK88, and she said, Francis, I've tried parallel parking on the right. I can't do it. I'm not a very good driver. You look like you know what you're doing. Help me. Watch this and I'll show you how it's done. And I'm going to hit the curb. So let's get started. I'm going to teach you two really easy, simple ways, really simple reference points with how to parallel park on the other side of the road. And this isn't on your driving test, so your driving instructor probably won't have taught you this, and your examiner will never ask you on your driving test to parallel park on the right. So this might be useful for you full license holders. When you go out into your starting position, or if you're trying to find your starting position next to the car, it's exactly the same as parking on the left. I want to keep about a meter away, half a meter to a meter away from my reference car on my right, and perfectly parallel. So I'm in reverse. Safety is always going to be the biggest priority, whether you've got a full license or a provisional license. I want to not crash my car. So the first reference point, really similar to parking on the left. When you can see the back of the car in your back passenger window, take a turn. Or this car's flipped around the other way, I can see the front of it, I'm going to take a turn now. So as I'm moving nice and slow, turning, keeping an eye on what's going on around, and I'm going to stop or start turning exactly the same as before. I've got a 45-degree angle. It's harder to see it in your right mirror because we've got less curb, but I can see a nice pizza slice. It's a small pizza this time, perhaps not a Pizza Go-Go pizza. It's a kid's portion. So in my left mirror there, what I can see is the back of my car has just passed the white broken line of the parking bay. So I'm going to start turning left there, 2 turns left as normal. I'm going to be neatly positioned in my parking bay. Perfect. Super simple. Also, if this has been helpful for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.